So where are you going today?
What's the Oxygen Park?
So right now we are Oxygen Park. Oxygen Park Education City Walks. You can see the family Fernando are already running. That's Ate. Hi Ate! Hey! What you can see at Oxygen Park. Welcome to Oxygen Park.
No littering and no smoking.
What again? Says no littering and no smoking. See beside here there's a football stadium, football field. Ooh. See, you have to go down from here. Since we have a stroller, we have to push all around here. So we are on the way to multi-sports area. So we're going down. So we are here already at the football field area. And all the way there, there's a fountain. Let's go there, let's go, let's go. Ooh, nice fountain. I'm not sure if we can go for swimming here.
Huh?
So that is the area. Hi Glenn, how are you today? What? Okay, we're gonna. Let's go. Where are we going? Go run! So this is small boy. Where are you going? Go ahead! Going up on the hill. This is again. Let's go. Let's make more rounds. Bye bye. Slowly. Oh, there's a little. Oh, slowly. I didn't cut it. So, come down.
Ang taas!
Meron naman kasing hagdan. This kid is enjoying the grass. Let's see if we can climb up through this hill. Strong boy. Come on! Almost! Almost! Yeah! Yay! Clap hands! So maybe you can bring also your horse. If you have horse, you can bring it here. See, you can walk with your horse. So hindi lang pang pamilya, pang animal pa. Oh, there's a lot of birds over there in the front. Go. No, no. Walang masyadong tao. That's the first good thing. Enjoy yung mga bata mag-run. Malawak at tatakbuhan ng mga bata dito. So kung mahilig kang mag-football, you can come and play. Downside, kung mahilig kang mga bayo, pwede rin dito. Yan ang oxygen park. Hi, beautiful. So yan, mga ka-Fernando family. So dito pwede kayong maglakad-lakad ng buong pamilya nyo. Mahaba yung lalakaran. Diba? So kung gusto mo rin mag-jogging, medyo maganda rin dito mag-jogging kasi iba yung flooring. Ito ipapakita ko. Iba yung floor nila. Ito pag nag-jogging ka, malambot. Ayan, may trails yan. Diba? Astig. So, ang panginahintay nyo. It's the football field. Run over it. And there is a volleyball field. marami palang pwedeng gawin dito. Kung gusto mong tumakbo lang, pwede kang tumakbo lang. Kung gusto mong maglaro ng football,
Boy?
pwede ka doon. Kung gusto mo naman mag-volleyball at hilig mo yon, pwede rin yun. So, that's it. And of course, the little boy will run. Ha? Tibay ng tuhod oh. Hi Ginger! So dito pala ikaw mag-start. Sinundan mo tong line na to. Kung saan man yan papunta, dito ka rin babalik. 212. Yan ah, 0 to 212 ah. Kahit saan ka tumakbo, saan pa rin yung bagsak mo. So dito naman, maakit ka dito. You can see the view of some desert, and I don't know what kind of building is that. So siguro ito extend nila yan kasi mukhang ginagawa pa. Malawak siya. Gusto nyo magtago-taguan, pwede.